I think it's pretty blatant from Marissa's presentation, um, the the concept and content that was learned and applied regularly in this classroom and outside on the Ning pages. Um, I'd like to read actually a quote from one of the students. I had given a last minute assignment that they were not required to do, but I asked them to do as a favor to us student teachers. Um, and that was a simple question on Ning, um, asking them um, how has their relationship with music changed after taking this class, um, and have the concepts we learned in the class impacted how they listened to music and how they did that. And this was from a young woman in the class who was very staunch in her ways of what she felt about music, what she felt about the music classroom, and how she was going to approach all of our games and Type 4, Type 2 uh, craziness with four different teachers in the same room. Um, so I'd just like to read what she wrote as this on this blog. My relationship with music has changed a lot over the past marking period. I now can no longer say I don't know why, I just like it. Now I can say why. I liked the games, they were a lot of fun, and helped with what we were learning at the time. The presentations we saw were very well thought out and presented, and I liked them a lot. Another student, it meant a lot and it was fun. I'd say my relationship with music has changed in the sense that instead of just saying, that's catchy, or wow, that's a good song, I can say why it's so likable. I find myself thinking deeper into the words and instrumentation. The games were fun, and I thought the presentations were interesting, listening to all the songs others chose. It was a fun marking period, and thank you for involving me in your music making. I mean, obviously, you can tell just from the writing that these are very mature eighth graders. Um, but that being said, when a student not only thanks you for that opportunity, but also shows clearly that they see the purpose in what you're doing and how much value it can add to their life, it's very fulfilling as a teacher.
Okay, my song is Starlight by Muse.
Nice.
One
Yeah.
of my favorite songs ever. Anyway, my creative idea, what I thought is that one thing I always admired about Muse is that they can create such a full sound and they only have three band members. And in Starlight, the three instrumental parts, which are piano, bass guitar, and drums, they're really simple parts. And I thought that maybe we could divide the class into two groups. One playing piano, one play bass, I'll play the drum, and then we could all like play the beginning part. Yeah.
Like air
So
drums?
what?
Like air drums?
I spent really long time trying to figure out how they went. So. Anyway, so who has heard the song Starlight before? Anybody?
Bobby's on my team.
Cool.
I love that song.
This is the start. You guys get to sing the piano part so far, and then I think when you guys hear it, you'll recognize it. But and so listen for the parts. Try and figure out what the different parts are playing. The lyrics, what the theme of the song is. I know it's kind of hard. I probably should have told you about that before that you were looking for that. It's about I guess it would be told from the guy's point of view. It's about he's leaving his love behind. Maybe he's like traveling or something, and he's always like clinging to the memory of that one person. Can't stop thinking about how much he'd rather be with that person, with his love, than leave, and it's sort of distracting him a lot. Like I said, there's only three instruments in the song. There's the piano, the bass, and the drums percussion. Yeah. And one thing the melody is, yeah, it's kind of obvious. The catch is the piano. Right, pick that up. And we were gonna work on how things fit together today. My little thing. So, anybody recognize the song after hearing it? Awesome. Okay. Do you guys think that if I gave you the piano part, you could sing it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Can everybody who thinks they can sing it move to that side of the room? I also have the piano sheet. Okay, so that's the piano part. It's just like one line repeated over and over and over. Yeah, that. The piano part. Yeah, that part. Okay, so you guys hear what they're singing? Their piano part is do 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 do, and that's just over and over. Okay. I worked all night on the drum part, so I got that down. The bass part is pretty simple. I think you guys can get it. It starts. It goes. Do 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 okay, it's just over and over. You guys want to try that? Please. Okay, so it goes.
You want me to sing that with her?
Can you?
Yeah. Like, do 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 do. Do it again.
I mean, and then it's just that over and over. Everybody get that? Okay. I think I know the notes. It's C, 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 D, 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 F, F, F. No, A, and F. Okay. I tried it on my cello.
Makes sense.
Okay, so can we try this? Anybody need any help? Okay.
Are we all just gonna start at the same time?
Sure. I'm gonna start with the drum, then I'm going to nod you guys in, and then I'm gonna nod you guys in. So you guys all know where you're starting? Okay. Okay. I'm just going to tap this. Okay. So it goes. Thank you. Very awesome. And the last one I was just the lyrics I told you about how they about how it's about someone leaving his love behind. And if you guys hear the piano, it's a really beautiful piece in my opinion, and it's like a real like legit love song, you know? And I think that the piano helps the lyrics out in a way that it almost has that sort of a desperate longing type sound. Just like you understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like he's longing for his love, he's like all over it. So